All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with a great pre-owned boat. It's a MasterCraft NXT24. We'll start here at the back with your nice platform. Again, it's an NXT, so it's SurfStar equipped. Also, you've got your Klipsch stereo controller as you come in the boat. You walk over, come inside, you can see how large this boat is. Powered by a 6-liter Ilmore. This boat has all your ballast tanks for wakeboarding and surfing as well. Again, tons of room for the whole crew. This boat has a 16-person capacity. As we come up to the helm, you've got your Klipsch stereo controller. Over to the right is your boat management screen. And then we have some nice analog gauges here. Flip up bolster on the driver's seat. As we go in the walkthrough, tons of room again. NXT24, great size boat for Lake Norman. You get the whole crew on here. Take a look at the tower real quick. Fold down tower if you need to get under any of the bridges, as well as the Klipsch speakers on top. Also, you've got your articulating clamping board racks. Check this awesome NXT and many other MasterCrafts out at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you.